In this video, I will share with you guys step by step my method and my strategies that helped me to earn $10,211 in commission just in 13 days. From the first day of this month of July until the day 13th of July, I made $10,211 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic from YouTube. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on YouTube, how do I create videos that helped me to make this commission, and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end. So let's get started. So this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshot, guys. Okay, this is my commission, my clicks, my CTR, people who used my affiliate links to buy those services from me. So I earned this commission. I can click over here. I have my dashboard, I have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back, as you can see, commission plan, affiliate store. Even my ID is here. I don't need to show that. That's fine. Just to show you it's not screenshot like other people sharing with you. Okay. Anyway, so for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using YouTube, so just follow those steps. Step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to this website is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. It's super easy. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. So just keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commission, guys, and you can make a lot of money with this business model. Okay, it's not like other affiliate marketing businesses, they are really paying just few cents, but this one is really paying good commission. Okay, you can check this website and you will get more information. So all you have to do is you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. You need to choose your country from here and you need to choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and you will answer next few questions. They are really super easy and it's gonna take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. So you will see commission here, clicks, CTR, and first time buyer, and so on. Okay, so all you have to do now is you need to choose a good services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. Okay, you cannot promote any services that you like or services that you think it's gonna work. It doesn't work like that. You need to choose good services, and I will share with you the method that you can use to choose always good and profitable services that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so all you have to do is you need to go to your YouTube homepage. So all of you guys have a YouTube channel, YouTube account, just your YouTube account. Okay, just open your YouTube account like this, go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, and all you have to do is you need to click over here on the search and you need to ask question. So for example, I'm gonna ask how to, let's say, how to create logo, for example, for, and here you go. You can see over here, YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for. And this is report search prediction. That's what people are searching for now on YouTube. People are searching for how to create logo for business, how to create logo for YouTube channel, how to create logo for clothing brand. So as you can see, people are searching for these topics. Okay, so what I will do, I will go back to Fiverr. I will go back to my Fiverr homepage and I'm gonna click on the search and I will search for logo design. Okay, I will search for services related to those topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna search for logo design. I will scroll down I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. You need to choose good sellers, okay? So if people click on your affiliate link, they will go and check the feedback and the reviews of those sellers that you are using, okay? So you need to choose good sellers. You can choose like top rated seller, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So for example, let's choose for example this one is top rated seller, as you can see, or he has over 1k reviews, almost 5-star. This service starting from $25. I'm gonna click on this service, so let's choose this one. So I think this one is really good, and as you can see guys, this seller has a lot. Look at how many reviews, look how many people paid for this service, look how many orders in queue, 105 orders in queue. People are paying for this service and people already are buying this service. As you can see, this is the proof, okay? I'm not sharing with you something that's not working. It's already working and people already paying for this service, okay? And you can see here people keep coming back, people keep coming and buying more services from the seller. So this is a big number that I saw here on Fiverr. That's a really big number of orders in queue, okay? And big number of people who already paid for the service. That's really good. So what we will do is we will copy the link of the seller profile. So just copy the link of the seller, okay, over here, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here, and you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools and click over here on default and deep links, okay? And you will be directly in this page. So click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. It's super easy. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So all you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube, okay? So but first we need to create a YouTube video that we will use to promote this affiliate link. So what you will do, pay attention. So go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, click on his logo picture here like this, and you will be directly in this page like this. So all you have to do is you need to turn your screen recording on your PC, okay? So you will create a slideshow video showing the feedback of this seller, the feedback of his customers, okay? So we will create a slideshow video. So your video, so you will turn your screen recording on, for example, like this, and you will keep clicking here like this, okay? Let me show you. So you see, you will see the feedback of his customers here, okay? So every time you click over here, you will see new review of his customers and the logo he made for those people. So this logo made for this person, and this person is satisfied, he is happy, and as you can see, nice work, good, people are satisfied, a lot of people are satisfied, it was great to work with you, great artwork. So what you will do, like I said, you will create a slideshow video. It's super easy, okay? After you record your video with the feedback of the customers, this video will be really good. This video converts better, okay? Because people who are searching for how to create logo, of course, not a lot of people will be interested to buy. There are people who are searching just how to create logo for free. But in the other side, we have a lot of people who will buy this service because they will get good and professional branding logo, okay, for their businesses, okay? So after you record your video, go back to Google, okay, and search for Canva like this. So just search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and it's for free. Just click over here on video and you will be directly in this page. So all you have to do is you just need to click on upload, click on upload file, and upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, I already have this video here. As you can see that I uploaded, I recorded on Fiverr, and I uploaded this video over here. Okay, so you see that. So just click on the video. Let me show you. Just click on your video, and your video will be over here like this, and click on this 3 points and click on set video as background like this. Okay, and here you go, you just created your video. So all you have to do, click over here on text. Okay, and by the way guys, this is your own video, so don't tell me that you will get copyright issue, copyright strike. No, there is nothing. You will not get any trouble with YouTube because you recorded your own video. It's like your own. This is your own video. No one is will do like this. Even if other people they also record this video, for example, like this, it's gonna not be the same video. Okay, so don't worry about that. So just click on text and scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. I'm gonna use this one. So just click on the text style and your text will be over here. I will delete the second one and decrease the font size of your text like this. Put your text here, double click and write the sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description. Okay, like this. And here you go, click over here on element, scroll down, go to sheet and choose this one. Click on color, choose black color and put this shape behind your text like this. And here you go, so your text is clear. So people who will watch this video, who are searching for how to create logo for business, they will see this, they will watch your video. Okay, they will watch your video, for example, like this. They will see the feedback of those people who already paid for their service, and they will see that the seller is really making good work, good service for his customers. People are satisfied, and that's really good. So what you will do, those people will see this: check link in my description. So they will check your description and you will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. So you see, it's a really good video. So what you will do next, just click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel. Guys, it's super easy to create a YouTube channel. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address. It's gonna take just 1 minute. After you finish, upload this video to your YouTube channel. Use this title. Let me show you. Use this title, how to create logo for business. Just use this keyword, the same title, just copy and paste in your YouTube description. Use the same title. In this video, for example, I show you how to create logo for your business. Check a link below and put your, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Go to your YouTube description, put your affiliate link there, start creating those videos that people are searching for, start promoting services related to those topics that people are searching for, and you can make a lot of money with these methods. But free traffic takes time. You need to upload a lot of videos, and you know guys that YouTube, there is no limit. You can upload unlimited videos per day. You can upload 10 videos, you can upload 20 videos, 50 videos, 5 videos, 7 videos, no limit. Okay, and why I choose YouTube, because YouTube guys, we can get so much traffic from YouTube. You can see that over here that YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors. That's a really big number, because YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. So people are using YouTube to search for a lot of topics. Okay, and that's it, guys. So you have the method. The business model is clear, and it's not easy, guys, because you need to stay consistent. You need to create good videos, improve your videos that you will upload on YouTube, and stay consistent. Promote services related to those topics that people are searching for, and that's it. It's super easy. So you just need to stay consistent, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and make sure to like this video. I will still share with you guys a lot of new methods that you should start using to earn commission. So just comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will see how many people are interested, and they will start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods for free in this YouTube channel. So see you in my next videos.